Hi guys, welcome back to the Money Crash Course where we share with you the best advice to make you financially successful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find the content useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
When I was 22 to 28, I was making $35,000 to $55,000 a year, but I had no expenses. I didn't go on vacations, I didn't buy fancy things, so I saved my money. I was 33 years old and I was renting because I was saving cash to go on the offense. And so when I had a chance to invest in those companies, I put hundreds of thousands of dollars, not millions, but those hundreds made millions, made tens of millions. And so that's it, nothing crazy, I didn't have any crazy advantage. There's a lot of people that make $55,000 a year when they're 23. The problem is they go to Coachella and they want to buy a watch and they want to buy a BMW, and I didn't. So I ate shit for 13 years, and then I had a moment and I struck.
Twitter, a LinkedIn, a YouTube, a Pinterest, you make all the platforms free, and free. So many
Zero
people,
investment to do that.
Right. So many people want me to make them famous, they don't even have other platforms, they just have one. But what if one goes away? I can't make you just famous on one, I need you on everything.
Got it.
Next thing, what's your story? You gotta have the same bio photo, you gotta have your profile done right, you gotta make you look good so that if I go get you famous, I get eyeballs on you, people wanna react.
Right.
Okay?
Step 3.
Step 3, create content. Content is king.
Create content. So start creating, just filming stuff, no money involved.
Right.
Just iPhone, Android, good enough, right? Step 4.
Once any content takes off, spend a little bit of money to make it grow.
50, 100, whatever your budget. It doesn't need to be more than a couple $100 at most, right? Step 5.
Collaborations.
Collaborations.
Yeah.
Boom.
You make it about the other person. That's the difference. Most people make.
If you don't have a Robinhood already, here's why you should open one. Index fund powerhouse Vanguard Group has just forecasted that the US stock market will rise 4 to 6% a year for the next decade, with global markets doing 7 to 9%. If you invested $100 into the stock market a month at 5% a year, you'd be up $28 in your first year, $800 at year 5, and over $3,500 in 10 years.
Watch this clip of Carl Lentz speaking to our 100 million Mastermind members. Carl's message was so powerful, I felt compelled to share with everyone to think about who's truly important enough to listen to.
But I'll tell you this is a good thing my dad taught me. And he said, it's not what people say, it's who says what. So if the right who believes in us and the right who is saying that we're right, then I don't really care what everybody else says, because you're not in my who. And so it's a question that I always have to define, like, who is in my life where their voice is going to matter. And that can be confronting, and that could mean they could disagree with me, but that who is all I'm listening for. And I appreciate your praise over here. I hear your hate over here, but neither of you are going to drive the vision of what we're doing.
No one ever tells students why they should write something. It's like, well, you have to do this assignment. Well, why are you writing? Well, you need the grade. It's like, no, you need to learn to think. Because thinking makes you act effectively in the world. Thinking makes you win the battles you undertake. And those could be battles for good things. If you can think and speak and write, you are absolutely deadly. Nothing can get in your way. So that's why you learn to write. It's like, and I can't believe that people aren't just told that. It's like, it's the most powerful weapon you can possibly provide someone with. And I mean, I know lots of people who've been staggeringly successful and watched them throughout my life. I mean, those people, you don't want to have an argument with them. They'll just slash you into pieces. And not in a malevolent way. It's like, if you're going to make your point and they're going to make their point, you better have your points organized.
The most successful people in the world, the most healthy, wealthy, and wise people in the world choose education over entertainment. And the most unsuccessful people in the world, healthy, unhealthy, unwealthy, or unwise, are choosing entertainment over education.
You're not yet the person you need to be to succeed. And once you can embrace the beauty of the journey of becoming that person, the person that is capable of executing at the highest level, the person who is no longer worried about getting a championship ring, and instead they are focused solely on becoming capable of a championship performance, then you'll win. And that brings us back. The reason you are here is to find out how many skills you can acquire and put them to service for something greater than yourself. You do that, you'll build a big business.
I absolutely have to work morning and night because it's inside of me. Not because I need it financially, it's because inside of me it drives me. If I woke up tomorrow morning on an island, I would be bored out of my mind figuring out how I could get back to the city so I can get back to work. I don't want to sit on an island. I don't want to relax. I don't want to hang out. I want to work. When I wake up in the morning, I'm excited to work on the hard stuff. I don't care about the good stuff. When I talk to my friends, I talk to Ilya, I don't need to hear about the pretty stuff. I want to hear about lawsuits, battles, employees bickering with each other and fighting, and I want to hear about the hard stuff. That's what gets me excited. That's what motivates me, because I can fix the hard stuff. I can't help you with the pretty stuff. I can help you with the hard stuff. And the hard stuff makes me want to do more. It makes me every single day want to work, and I always remember when we didn't have any money, we didn't have any resources, and I'm always fighting the exact same way today.
Well, the reason the rich don't work for money is number one expense is tax. See, there's three kinds of income: earned, portfolio, passive. So earned income is if I get a job, that's earned income. If I'm a doctor or a programmer, that's earned income because I'm working for it. If I buy, let's say, Apple for $10 and I sell it for $20, that's portfolio income, capital gains.
Yeah.
But passive income, which is cash flow, is never taxed. So it's not, and so these guys are screaming right now in America, tax the rich. I said, good luck. Because most of the guys complaining, they don't know there's three kinds of income. And the rich don't have jobs anyway. They have assets. And so the average schmo out there, poor guy, sent the kid to school, they don't learn this.